everyone, my name is Yadala Pinikan. My major is Food Science and Technology and was a per college student and a part-time with, with us who was very disciplined, productive and clever. She never left for her work and never did any mistake. Everyone was really appreciate her impact, especially her boss named Ken. He always took her for a special and good care because he was the only one who knew who she actually was. One day, her mom was unexpectedly severely sick, so she needed to handle the situation by quitting from her job to take care on her mom as well as her little sister. In order to do that, she needed to come back to where she lived and drop out of her university, which made Ken worry. Therefore, he gave her a proposal to come back when everything was fine. However, she still decided to quit the job because she did not want to give him an empty promise. On the day just before she left to where she lived, she came back to where she Leslie working to say goodbye. Ken gave her some money to help her make a living. She loved him with a lot good performance, which made him very sad. 1 year later, Ken Restaurant has become two of the top 3 guest restaurants in Bangkok. His business could be traced out due to his successes. However, he decided to open just one and employ many staff, but left one last position open for a waitlist awaiting for the right person only. Until one day, the only one girl who he had been waiting for had eventually show up and come back with her little sister. Because of her mother's death, she had to look after her little sister on her own. As Ken has learned the situation, he decided to employ both and at her seat. Moreover, support their education. They were both overwhelmed with joy, happen and hungered him with gratitude. They had honestly been working from him ever since. Thank you.